Jonas from Whole Body Cardio here. Today I would like to run through an exercise that's great to relieve tension in your iliotibial band. So often from activities like running, people end up with a tight iliotibial band, and often the symptoms they get from it is knee pain or hip pain. So iliotibial band runs from the outside of the knee up to the outside of the hip, and when it's tight, you have a tendency to pull your kneecap off out to the side like this and create friction on the outside of the knee to get the inflammation and tenderness there. And in the hip, it creates friction as the iliotibial band slides across your hip here, and the bursa that's located underneath gets inflamed, so you end up with bursitis in the hip. So to release adhesions in the ITB, you can jump on the foam roller, side on like this, and then just roll up and down the thigh. You find a bit of a tender spot, and then you can just sit on that and gently rock back and forth, and then massage it out again to break up adhesions there. If you find it's too intense, you can get some weight on your foot and sort of lift your leg off and go lighter. Or if you find it's not intense enough, put your full body weight through the roller and work through that area. Yeah, so very effective. Typically within 2 to 3 weeks of doing this, you will notice a significant difference of that tenderness starting to drop. And even if you don't have knee or hip pain, if you have tenderness on the outside of the thigh, when you press into it, it can be a good idea to do this, to be proactive with addressing any tightness in the ITB. Good luck with it.